Elevate your outdoor sleep experience with a camping cot. A step above sleeping on the ground, a camping cot provides portable comfort akin to a regular bed. It's essential for campers seeking a smoother outdoor rest, offering a convenient alternative without sacrificing ease. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding camping cots you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the ever-advanced Oversized Camping Cot, a true game-changer in outdoor comfort. Ranked as the 5th best folding camping cot, its innovation lies in its user-friendly design. Say goodbye to the hassle of setting up your campsite. Installing the end bars is now a breeze, even easier than the previous model. Crafted for durability, this camping cot boasts a robust weight capacity of 550 pounds, ensuring both personal relaxation and family bonding. Reinforced steel X-leg assembly not only elevates stability, but also guarantees lasting performance. Experience a roomy haven with open dimensions of 84.3 by 41.9 by 19.7 inches, providing abundant space to unwind. Versatility is the key. From sleepovers and camping escapades to serene reading sessions in your yard, this cot adapts seamlessly. Priced at $119. Presenting the Teton Sports Camping Cot, a game-changer among folding camping cots and proudly holding the 4th spot on the list of the best. Its standout feature, the pivot arm revolution, transforms cot setup into child's play. No more grappling with that elusive 4th corner. The built-in pivot arm effortlessly secures the last end bar, streamlining your setup experience. Built for durability, the reinforced steel X-leg assembly enhances stability, eradicating setup woes. Elevating you above uneven terrains, this portable cot brings bedroom comfort to the wilderness. Uncompromised rest is essential while camping, and this Teton Sports Cot ensures you wake up revitalized, free from the discomfort of rocky surfaces. Beyond convenience, size matters too. Boasting a length surpassing a twin mattress, it supports up to 400 pounds with ease. And when it's time to pack up, the cot folds conveniently for transport, with a manageable pack weight of 24 pounds. Elevate your camping game without deflating your wallet. All this excellence is yours for just $109. Discover the MarchWay Ultralight Folding Tent Camping Cot Bed, the pinnacle of comfort and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Ranked as the 3rd best among folding camping cots, this cot combines innovation with practicality. Unveiling its remarkable features, this cot weighs a mere 4.8 pounds and seamlessly collapses into a 16.9 by 5.5 inches compact carry pouch, perfectly slotting into your travel backpack. Whether you're a camper, trekker, hiker, backpacker, or adventurer, its ultralight design is your ideal companion. Setting up camp is a breeze with its foldable aluminum shock cord poles, enabling swift assembly in minutes. Durability takes center stage, with aircraft-grade high-strength aluminum legs and ripstop nylon fabric effortlessly supporting up to 275 pounds, while wide feet ensure no harm to the ground beneath. Versatility knows no bounds, whether it's a rugged outdoor expedition or a tranquil indoor nap. Bid farewell to heavy luggage with its $69 price tag. Introducing the FE Active Folding Camping Cot, the embodiment of outdoor comfort and convenience. Ranked as the 2nd best folding camping cot, this cot is a superior companion for your camping escapades. Designed with utmost precision, the Jasper Camping Cot seamlessly accommodates mattresses, ensuring you sleep soundly amidst nature's beauty. Built to withstand the rugged outdoors, the cot boasts a robust construction trusted by the Canadian military. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, fortified with upgraded foldable nylon joints, and enveloped in 420D water-resistant Oxford polyester fabric, this cot is a camping essential. Need more space? Just place 2 cots side by side to support a full-sized air mattress. The cot's dimensions, measuring 75 by 27.5 inches and elevating you 7 inches above the ground, offer an ideal reprieve. Weighing a mere 4.8 pounds, it can comfortably accommodate up to 250 pounds. But that's not all. Revel in the convenience of an attached side pocket that replaces the need for a camping table. Unlock the doors to outdoor comfort at just $69, an investment in relaxation and adventure. Say hello to the KingCamp Ultralight Sleeping Cot, the unrivaled choice for your outdoor adventures. Ranked as the top-tier folding camping cot, it's the ultimate blend of innovation and comfort. Setting up camp in a flash is now a reality. With a revolutionary 60-second setup, just press down on the folding bracket and watch the magic unfold. These camping cots fit snugly into most car trunks, thanks to their compact foldability. And yes, a storage bag is your bonus for easy transportation and storage. Crafted with dimensions of 79 by 28 by 12 inches, it accommodates even the pickiest sleepers. With a robust weight support of up to 551 pounds, it's designed for your utmost comfort and peace of mind. Elevating comfort, the cot boasts premium 1200D Oxford fabric that's not only extra thick but also breathable. The integrated pillow elevates your sleep experience to Cloud 9. Built strong with flat 70-75 aluminum tubes and a trapezoid symmetry design, stability is a given. The anti-slip plastic feet ensure a slip-free snooze. And all of this innovation and comfort can be yours for only $169. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.